Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Aslam Manzoor here, your host. So in this video, I'm going to show you another amazing landing page that I have designed for my dentist client, and I will show you step by step how you can design in GoHighLevel. And that's the page I have designed in a GoHighLevel. You can see we need to attach form here, obviously. And here we have amazing design that I did in a GoHighLevel. I will show you in my next step how you can do in a GoHighLevel. And here I just simply go to the GoHighLevel and I just click on the edit, and here you can see I just take a big column, and in a column I just take few two sections. One is these social icons, and second for this number. And here you can see just take a headings, add an image, and here adds logo, booking button as well. And here I just add, I have designed this in all in a Figma, and I just convert it into Figma to GoHighLevel. And here you can see I have just amazing landing page for dentist. And here we need to just attach our form. That's the amazing. I have designed this section with some custom code, and I will provide you code as well. And if you want to buy this landing page, simply go to leadsflex.com and go to snapshot. And here you can see that's only $199. And I once you buy from here, I can give you all automations and emails copies. And also if you can go with my affiliate link in description box, and I will give you this free of cost. Not this, I will give you bio links free of cost, and also I just give you reputation management system for your local leads and for your Google review as well. I just give you these three offers free of cost if you can go with this one, if you can purchase it. Thank you so much for watching this video.